Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change location on Jodel. First of all, launch open Jodel application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to the home interface. Right over here at top, you'll be able to see the location that is selected right now. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to change the location. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for explore. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to explore more locations over here. Tap on the option got it. Now what you have to do is simply drop the pin to the location you want to discover. You can simply go to the location of your choice. Now after you do that, simply tap on the location that you would like to change to. Now tap on the explore option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the location will be changed. Now you'll be able to explore from this particular location. So like this you'll be able to change the location. So that is how you change location on Jodel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.